A seed can change the world. A seed becomes a farm. A farm feeds a country. A country raises a new generation. And the new generation leads the way into a brighter tomorrow. For nearly 15 years, Mainsprings has helped Tanzanians plant these seeds. Literally. Mr. Max has already planted over 500 seeds today, and it's not even lunchtime. Beans, papaya, corn, peppers, limes, kale, pomegranate, eggplant, and a bunch of other crops we don't even have time to name. Our permaculture farms have become so successful that we founded the Permaculture Institute of Tanzania, teaching farmers across the region how sustainability leads to prosperity. Sustainability is the same reason we built a school. Here, students discover, explore, and pursue their own passions. That's how we ended up with this robotics club and this amazing Sakuma dance team. Incredible things happen when you give everyone the chance to live their dreams. You don't just help one person. You touch the lives of everyone that person helps. Like Elizabeth and Pelu. Elizabeth wants to be the Minister of Education in Tanzania, and Pelu's going to be a reporter highlighting the injustices in our country. They were two of the first residents in our girls' home, and now they're inspiring the next generation of girls to become strong, independent leaders, like these girls, and this girl, and definitely those girls. But it's hard to transform your own community when you're sick. Meet Dr. Kajiru. She thinks laughter is the best medicine, but not for malaria. Actually, for that, she'd prescribe a 3-day treatment of anti-malarials. Permaculture, education, healthcare, and empowering girls. That's what we believe creates a sustainable future. We do it because we believe in the potential of every person, like we believe in the potential of every seed, to grow into something remarkable. A seed really can change the world. But first, we have to plant it, together.